This one's it. Be ready.
Steve, why the fuck is my truck done yet? What is taking so long, man? This is bullshit. We had to get Mike here to finish it.
Oh my god.
And now you want to threaten me with a weapon. I got my AR on the trunk.
Who's ready?
Alright, sounds so weird. First.
Now you go. Do it to yourself. If you do it to yourself, then I'll allow you to do it to me. Steve's an idiot. Let's go look at my truck. Forget what they're doing. So Steve has definitely gotten my water pump in here, guys. A little update on the Dirty Max. Got the water pump in. He's got a whole bunch of stuff bolted up and re-silicone. He's got some silicone down there. Got my power steering back on. We got to clean that pulley off. It's a little greasy. Don't want that on the belt. Ugh, yuck. But yeah, definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. I guess the only thing really left is the intercooler. And the oh, that's the radiator. Never mind. The radiator, the intercooler is already in here. Here's the intercooler. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. We're just waiting for his lazy ass to get it done. And stuff like that. They're over here bullshitting and chit-chatting.
It's not volts that kill you, it's amps. That probably is 0.
That's why I don't drink amp.
When you're a cop, they'd right in the back.
No, don't do that. Do it on your leg right here, like on the back of your leg.
That
way you piss yourself.
You think? How's it? But I need to know like how strong it is.
It's gonna pinch. It's gonna pinch a little bit.
Like 30,000 volts.
Yeah, this is
That's
nothing.
like 501 or 520.
You'll be fine.
I have a heart condition. I'll probably have a heart.
He has a heart condition.
Yeah,
He's got the heart condition.
I do, but I just don't. I'm healthier than you are, so I don't have a heart
Wow. Heart conditions, people are healthier than others. Like,
I'm a lot older.
What if it kills me?
it's not going to kill you. You got plenty of experts here to bring you back to life.
Yeah, experts. Oh, Jesus. Ah! It hurt. Okay, that's not bad. You can do it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So Mike, Steve, and I are going to be heading back to the mud hole that Steve and I were at the other night, like last week sometime. And I guess Mike wants to take his Blazer. He wants to take his Blazer through it. And I keep telling Mike, I'm like, you're gonna get stuck, dude. So this might be a very interesting video of Mike getting stuck in this mud hole. It all depends on how much water's left in it. I don't even know. So let's get over there, let's see what it looks like, and go from there. There's a lot less water in here now. What the freak? There's nowhere near the water that was in here before. Nowhere near. Dude, there's a shit ton less water in there. Dude. No, it was, I'm telling you, it was a lake.
So all I got to do is get over that hump, come in here, floor it, come out.
Go for it, boss. Look,
I can do it.
You can go this way too. You can come in this way maybe and go that way.
Uphill, I'd go down.
What I would do if I were you is I'd go like over there.
That's what I'm doing.
Come up over the hill.
Like there.
That's my goal.
Like through the side. Don't try to come down where I came down. That's where I effed up. I try to go around.
He came in over. He came over this and went down. Oh, he can't even get up the hill. Oh, there he goes. There goes the frame. He's stuck.
You can't.
He's fucked.
You couldn't even get to where I got stuck. I knew I was gonna get stuck.
Well, boys and girls, this is what happens when you don't have a lifted vehicle. I can pull you out with the Honda.
Yeah, this is
I could, yeah. If you have a strap, I'll pull you with the Honda. Yeah, put your truck in park, dude. What are you doing?
Tow with the Honda. Let's go.
We're
Pull
definitely towing with the
Pull me
Honda.
out.
Definitely. Honda's coming in for the rescue, boys. Woo!
It's your time to shine, buddy.
We got Andy here with the Honda saving the Tahoe. So for anybody that said, you know, hold on. All right, now go.
You know there's a rock underneath the back tire?
This is just epic. One more like that. Mike, get on the gas now. He's scared.
What's he doing? Tell him to pull on the damn thing.
You give it gas and then go, Andy.
I'm almost there.
You're almost there.
Come on, Andy.
Go, Andy, go. Almost. One more and you're good.
We're almost there.
There you go. This one's it. Be ready. Saved by a Honda.
Yes! Oh my god.
Wow.
Yes, Andy. Good job, buddy.
Wow. This is epic.
This is a big moment now. I was saved in the Blazer by a Honda Accord.
Oh my god, freaking Honda Accord. In for the freaking win.
I'm talking crap on the F450 now. No?
Look at how smooth this is. That's nice.
Oh yeah, you were up there good. Duck. Definitely not making it. He's done. He's done. God. Hey,
That's all she's got.
I think she's stuck, buddy.
I mean, I would just leave it and come out. It's not like it's going anywhere.
It's definitely not going anywhere. Oh, he's slipping. Definitely ain't going anywhere.
I'm not gonna. You made it further than Jeep.
You definitely made it further.
I got stuck and it was digging a little bit, and I was like, it's gonna do it. Yeah.
Well, at least we brought a truck regardless.
That looked like, you see that action? It was crazy.
Oh yeah, dude.
Get swallowed. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what your shit looked like.
It's like 6 inches from, it was like a foot away.
Definitely.
It gets you out pretty fast.
Yeah, it got me right out. No problem.
Mike
Jeep
is out.
I'm out.
But now we got a Jeep stuck.
It's the same Jeep from before.
It's the same original Jeep.
And look, now we have an F450 here.
A clean F450 that is not.
This is literally like deja vu, guys.
Yeah.
So is this
Like,
how
hey buddy, how you doing?
I'm coming back in.
to watch that happen is insane. You were like a foot away, and your Jeep just went. Like, I just watched it drop like a foot.
You should have went in from the
Are you
other
ready?
side. I'm not going in.
I guess we're gonna have to use your truck to tow him out now, Mike.
You're so close.
Almost only counts.
Oh, horseshoes and hand grenades. Oh shit. It's gonna get muddy. What is he doing? Oh my god. He needs to hammer down on that thing. Give her hell one more time. One more time, give her hell. If he can get up on this ledge here, he'll be good. There we go. Dude, look at all the mud going in his back window. Oh my god.
Get up the hill.
You need to keep going. What is smoking? Probably burn his transmission up. Oh shit.
There he is. Now he's helping out.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is like.
The Audi's next. The Audi's next. Yeah, right there, right there. Oh shit!
Didn't even get anywhere close.
Didn't even.
That
He just
time.
dumped in. Like he literally dumped in, man.
You know what he did? He just went into my ruts.
Yeah.
He just went into the ruts of.
You just went into his run.
You literally went boop and you're done. Like that shit just stopped, dude.
Damn it. Now you're up shit creek and you don't got a paddle.
I got 3 paddles. 2. Or if we use his car, yeah.
Yeah, no, we'll break the Honda out.
The Audi's all-wheel drive.
Yeah, shit.
Well, looks like you're getting the Jeep again, buddy.
Next time I'll go in. I won't create a problem for anybody.
Well, you're not gonna go in again? Come on, you're not gonna conquer the mud bog? Yes, you can. You gotta come on this side here and come in like this.
Well, if I go half in, I'll make it.
That's what I'm saying. Like, try to do that.
I went half in and I got submerged.
Well, nah, he would make it if he came in this way
I'm up to my door.
and went that way.
Nah. Oh, it's gonna stink too.
Not that bad. Just a little bit.
It's
Well, I also
stagnant
got a
water.
rust hole in the back.
Listen, you have a ton of mud on the back of your shirt, on the back of your hoodie. Just so you know.
Back up to him, or you put me here. If you get stuck, you can't get him. I'll get him.
Who's hooking it up?
The rope should be long enough.
On where?
What?
Where's the rope?
Why don't we bring Peter?
That's what I told him. I was like, might as well go get waders.
To his Jeep.
What's that?
It's still attached to his Jeep.
Oh, hell it is.
This mud pit sucks.
Dude, if you'd have came in this way and went,
My camera off.
you'd have been fine.
Hey guys, I'm Steve Freeman. I'm gonna pull my F450 down through this at midnight before I pull out my objective vehicle.
It was only because your Jeep was stuck.
Oh, sorry. All you had to do was pack your 14,000 pounds on here.
Mike, what are you doing, man?
Nothing, man.
Is that poop sock?
Oh, God.
Are you in the poop sock, Mike?
Where's the damn toe?
2,000 pounds deep, but 36 were buried. They were under.
Oh, Mike, I've never seen you so dirty. Your fucking shoes are fucked, dude.
I know.
You're gonna have to buy a new pair of sneaks, buddy.
These are my
Oh my
these are
god.
my matching McLaren sneakers that Gina got me for Christmas.
Oh, Gina's gonna be pissed.
I will. Yeah, it's hooked. Ah!
You better hop back in it, boy. Better get back in there.
Take my phone before something happens. Take my wallet.
Hold on.
Just take everything because I'm probably gonna die.
Go, you're good.
All right.
Who wants to go party? Got Mike's wallet. Oh, it stinks. You can smell it. You can start to smell it.
Mine's just not on.
Yeah, it smells like somehow there were species living here.
Oh, there's some living in here. Gonna get stuck.
Light bars before launch.
Get like hitting the. Turn your wheel straight. Get him to turn his wheel straight. There we go. Holy smoke.
Holy shit!
Look at that. We made another pond. My God, the interior is destroyed. Freaking mud everywhere. Oh my God, there's mud over there. What the freak? Lord. And it stinks now. It really smells bad too. I guess, I don't know. Guess the old Tahoe's been broken in, guys.
Well, I guess I'll go apologize to this guy.
So bad. Mike, your truck looks so much cleaner. And it sounds better than a Ford. Bye-bye, Mike. Bye-bye.